Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vinaigrette sauce. Let's start with the fundamental ratio, 3 parts oil to 1 part acid. This simple guideline is the secret to a balanced dressing. You can choose from various oils like olive or avocado, and acids such as apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. This basic combination forms the perfect foundation for countless delicious variations. To elevate your vinaigrette, incorporate essential seasonings. A pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper are crucial for taste. A small amount of Dijon mustard acts as an emulsifier, helping the oil and acid combine smoothly. Don't forget fresh herbs like chives or basil for a vibrant touch, and a touch of honey or maple syrup can beautifully balance the tartness. Achieving a well-emulsified vinaigrette is simple with the right technique. You can vigorously whisk all ingredients together in a bowl until they are fully combined and slightly thickened. Another easy method is to place everything into a jar with a secure lid and shake it until the mixture is uniform. For the best emulsion, slowly add the oil while continuously whisking. The beauty of homemade vinaigrette is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different oils, like walnut or grapeseed, and various vinegars, such as balsamic or red wine, to create unique flavor profiles. For an aromatic kick, try adding minced garlic or finely chopped shallots. Store your delicious homemade vinaigrette in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.